Okay, good morning everybody. Good morning ladies and gentlemen. And then first of all, my name is Octamia Simamora. My major is tourism and then I am from APP Dermagung, Medan. And then before it, we thanks to God because by His mercy and His grace we can live until today. And then my honorable to the charges because they give me the opportunity to give my opinion for this motion. Okay, and then for this motion, as we know that Indonesia has many cultures. Like me, I am Indian. The example, I am Indian, and then I live in Medan. So many conflict will come because I live in Medan from different culture and different worship and the less different skin color and the others. And then, but because we are Indonesian people, we must know the value in this nation, the value of Pancasila. Like this, tolerance. What is the tolerance? Tolerance is we must respect for the other people, we must care, and then we must honor for them, even though we are different. And then we must understand more deeply the meaning of tolerance. And if we know it, we will be unity, even though our culture is different. And then, and as social beings, an attitude of tolerance is very important to instill in our children and our grandchildren. Individuals who are responsible for themselves and others in the present and in the future. This must be built from an early age so that they have an understanding that different are not a problem. Like me, even though when I have a children, I must teach them that this different culture is not a problem for us. Even though we live in Medan, but I must teach them that we must honor for their culture and then we must honor for their worship. And then more importantly, how to make those difference beautiful and bring blessing. Okay, and then even though we live in Medan and then our culture is different, we must teach our generation from the children, so from the child, so that from the child they will know that different culture is not a problem for them, and then they will learn how to care for the other people, how to care for the human, for from the different culture, and then they will see the human is same. And then yeah, I agree if I live in Medan but I still keeping my culture because my culture is not because my culture is good, so yeah, I must keep my culture and then I will do my culture even though I live in Medan. Yeah, I will honor to their culture and then I hope they will honor to my culture. Yeah, I will be respecting for them and then I will care for them. I will help them even though we are different. I will help them and then I hope they will help me when I have a problem. So yeah, we will keep the value of Pancasila, tolerance, and then in Indonesia many people will keep their culture but they will be unity, and then that will be unity in Indonesia, so that will bring the blessing for the humans. Okay guys, that's my opinion because I agree for the motion that this house of first generation immigrant parent of color in a predominantly white country would choose to live and raise children in an ethnic enclave. Okay, thank you.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Amron Evaporatus Tinja. I am from EPP Dharma Agung. My major is tourism. First of all, thank God for His mercy and blessing. We can meet together. I can make this video for you and my honorable to all the judges. Thank you. And now I want to present my argumentation, my opinion about this motion. If you choose to live in one country that you are immigrant, you must respect all of the culture in that country. We take the example of Little India in Medan. So if you come to Medan, you can see one place that live by the India people, and that's called by Little India. They live in Medan for a long time by keeping their own tradition of India. Yes, that's right. They always held the India's event every year, such as like the Pawali. You know, they live in Medan, they live in Indonesia, and they are in one place that's called that Little India, and they are doing their tradition of India there, and no problem. Why? Because they keep respect the culture in Medan. They do that in their country, and they are not disturbing many people, and that's become a multicultural of Indonesia, of Medan, and that's a good things, you know. So that's why if we are immigrant and we live in a country, we must respect. We must respect their country, we must respect their culture, we must respect their tradition, we must respect their religion, all of things. And then as a first generation immigrant, as a parents, we must teach to our children to respect all the culture, because we are immigrant. As I told you before, we are an immigrant. They already the culture in that country. We must respect that. We cannot replace that with our culture. That's why we must respect their culture, and we must keep doing our own culture, because that's our culture. We cannot leave that culture, but we cannot pursue people, or we cannot push people to do our culture too. So we must respect all of the culture, and then keep building relationship with the local people. Yeah, we are immigrant, but don't make a distance with you and the local people. That's wrong. Even though example like the Little India, if we are India, and then we make a distance between the Bataknis, we make distance between the Melayu, the Muslim, the Christian. No, that's wrong. We must be together, so we can build the strong city, the strong country. And that's what happened in Little India. They keep building the relationship with the local people. And then the tolerance is number one. Yes, as I told you before, respect is one of the tolerance. Tolerance and tolerance. That's the important thing, so that we can live harmony in one city. And then work together with local people to build the city. Even though you are India, but you are Indonesia, because your citizenship already changed. Yeah, as a tradition, you are India tradition, but as a citizenship, you are Indonesia. So that's why we must work together with the local people to build the strong city, to build the strong country. And then you must respect the ideology of the country. Even though example like the Indonesia ideology is Pancasila, we must respect that and we must follow that, because that's the ideology of this country. And then from our culture, we can build the new attraction tourism. Yeah, this is one of the positive things that we can build, we can make from this issue. The example like Little India, as I told you before, in the beginning, the people of Little India always held the traditional event, so it can be the tourism object for the local people, event for the other country. So the event can be the attraction can be the tourism object for local people. You know, if the Little India held some Deepavali, many people come to see what happened with that event. So it can attract the people to come, even from the abroad. That's why that's the positive things. So one thing that we must remember that, like in Pancasila number 3, that is unity. We are unity, we are Indonesia, we are one. So I think that's all for me. Thank you.